Hello everybody, my name is Prathamesh Rajendra Varpe. I am from class 10th C and I am from Nanda English School. Today I am going to explain you about brain parts and its function. Then basically what is brain? Brain is an organ of soft nerve tissue containing in a skull vertebrate functioning as the coordinating center of sensation and intellectual and nerve activity. Then what are the parts of brain? There are three parts of human brain. First, forebrain. It composed of cerebrum. Second, midbrain. It composed of hypothalamus. Third, hindbrain. It composed of cerebellum, pons and medulla oblongata. You can see this following figure of human brain. Then what is cerebrum? Cerebrum is the largest part of human brain. It is divided into two hemispheres called cerebral hemisphere. Now, what are the functions of cerebrum? The cerebrum controls the voluntary motor actions. It is the site of sensor precipitation like tactile and auditory precipitation. It is a set of learning and memory. Now you can see the figure of hypothalamus, where the hypothalamus present in our human brain. It is a mark point where is a hypothalamus is present. Now what is hypothalamus? Hypothalamus lies at the base of cerebrum. It controls sleep-wake cycle of our human body. It also controls the urge for eating and drinking. Now, what is cerebrum? You can see the figure of cerebellum, where the cerebellum is located. Then what is cerebellum? Cerebellum lies below the cerebrum and the back of the whole structure. It coordinates the motor function when you are riding your bicycle, the perfection of coordination between the pedaling and steering. Control is achieved by cerebellum. Now you can see the figure of medulla oblongata, where medulla oblongata, pons and cerebellum is located. Now what is medulla oblongata? Medulla oblongata forms the brain stem along with the pons. It lies at the base of brain and continues into the spinal cord. Medulla control various involuntary functions like hearing, beat, respiration, etc. That's it. Thank you for watching the video.